Quoting in PrintVis lets you turn estimates into professional, customer-ready quotes quickly and accurately. Start with your estimate. All job details, including materials, finishing, and production steps, are automatically carried over to create an accurate quote. Quotes are generated using Microsoft Word templates, ensuring your branding, layout, and formatting are applied automatically. Pricing and calculations stay consistent with the estimate, with adjustments made in the template or PrintVis, not manually on the document. Send the quote directly via email, download as a PDF, or save for internal review, all without leaving PrintVis. Estimation is internal, focused on planning and costing. Quoting is customer-facing, presenting job details clearly and professionally. With PrintVis Quoting, you move seamlessly from planning to presenting, helping customers make decisions faster while keeping production aligned. Want to learn more? Get in touch today to book a personalized demo of PrintVis for your company.